winter has come. Oh, it's hard to get warmed up. Oh dear. So this is where I normally come during winter when it's super rainy, just to roll around, have some fun. Oh man, my nose is frozen. Oh. But yeah, this is like the only nice bit of concrete that I know is undercover, so I'll often come here. Oh, those knees, I tell you. But yeah, no real plan today. Just wanted to come down, have a roll. We have a public holiday this weekend, so we have a 3-day weekend, which is cool, for the King's birthday. The only issue is it's basically rained the whole time. It's windy. It's a bit uninviting. Whoa, slippery leaves. But it's no excuse not to get out and have some fun. That's what I reckon anyway. So that's my plan. I have no real focus for anything. But yeah, I'm riding the 10-inch emu egg board, and it's a little bit smaller than the wide boy one that I have normally ride. So I thought it might be a little bit easier in these conditions. But it's a little bit different, feels a bit different. The trucks are slightly smaller, and the board as well. So it's a little bit of a change, but it's just got Spitfires on it, as always. Independent 169s. I've changed out one of the bushings on the top here because I was having issues with it. But then it's just got Modus bearings that I've had for ages, and they've been really good. What else? I think that's about it. But yeah, I'll just try and get some tricks. Hope you enjoy the video. Location's not bad. There's heaps more to skate here when it's dry. But yeah. Never really been good at frontside. It's always been a bit of a bane for me. Oh, see? Even on something like this, I always feel that my shoulders are out of rotation. But my balance is terrible. Very sticky. But a lot of fun. It's broken up a bit down here, but some work. It could be pretty fun little ledge here, I think. Anyway, let's move on. Whee! It's just good, wholesome fun. It's been a really long time since I've just skated the streets. I want to see if any of my flat ground still exists. It's oh geez, it's been a long time since I've just done a flat ground ollie. So go easy if I skate like an old vert dude. I can't help it. It's all them years of skating in the skate parks, I tell you. That's what it is. Oh, bendy. Let's see if I can be more in control of the road. Not really. The survey says, not really. Way harder on the old legs than the skate park, that's for sure. An ollie shove. Alright, not bad. Not great. Let's see if we can do a better one. I'll take it. Fun to do though. Let's go for that front 180 again. That was better. I still feel like I move far too much sideways, like way too much, you know what I mean? Not straight up and down, which is the preferred method. Fakey ollies. Oh. Fakey's not too bad for me. It's always been nollie. It's been the The one that I've never been able to do. Faking's not too bad. That was bad. Frozen toes. Oh, it's not helping. Oh dear. Oh, that was a stretch and a half. Oh, give me a minute. That was a good old groin stretch. Oh wow, I don't know if you saw that, but I ended up doing the full splits. Oh, no warm up. Oh dearie me, that's gonna hurt. Whew. So I'm wearing new shoes, new DCs. They're like a suede sort of shoe with a rubber toe cap, and yeah, they're a little bit different. I can confirm, very grippy. Almost tore myself in two on a fakie ollie just a second ago, which is pretty hilarious. But yeah, I thought I'd test them out while I'm here. I'll let you know how I go. So far so good. I do like suede. They've got no cuff or anything around the ankle, so that's kind of different for me. But yeah, I thought I'd try and do maybe some tricks. It's always that last little turn, always. Again, I'm not a great spinner. As I get older and older, it gets harder and harder to spin. It's a bit sideways. Oh God. Oh, that one was bad from the get-go. Toe drag. Still the little turn. That's infuriating. That little turn gets me every time. Take 10,000. Oh, come on now. Oh, it's still that last little bit, the last shoulder turn, every time. I got to get my shoulders around quicker. Oh. Far out Brussels sprout. This is the one. Not bad, except that the 180 at the start was terrible. All right, this one. There was still a tiny one. Still a tiny one. Can't find it. But how cold it was, like 15 minutes ago. I'm boiling now. One more try, one more. This one's for the X Games gold medal. I mean, I didn't do the little twitch, so that's something. that might be it for me, guys. I'm pretty exhausted. Everything's so wet, it's hard to get out there and do anything on any of the other little curbs and bits and pieces that they have here. It's an awesome place to skate, and because it has this weather shed, it makes it like super rad. It's freezing, it's wet. I'm like soaking wet and not in a good way now. Yeah, so that might be the video, I think, guys. Remember to go check out sidewalkhooligans.com, pick up some merch, helps me make these videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. A bit different, mic'd myself up. It's not normally the case, but I thought, hey, why not? It's going to be windy and rainy today, so I thought I better try and make it as good as I can. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Peace.